Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial I will show you how to create a language study paper to learn vocabulary very easily with Kilonotes. Open the app, go to create a notebook, and next to the cover you can see Inside Pages section where you can browse several types of pages. Now go down a little bit and you will find this wallpaper right under the language study papers. Select it and confirm creation. Now you can see this very beautiful paper where you can write the word. Nice. And the meaning next to it. Of course you can customize and make it beautiful. You can even use your handwriting. I hope it will be helpful. I wish you a nice study session with this.